In evaluating algebraic expressions, it is important to be familiar with the order of operations, or the so-called PEMDAS rule. So, it means we will start working on the parentheses. Then, we will work on the exponent, then followed by the division or multiplication, so whichever comes first from left to right. Then lastly, we will work on the addition or the subtraction, so whichever comes first from left to right. So let's get started. Let's take our example number 1. Evaluate 2x plus y if x is 5 and y is 3. So let us write down our given algebraic expression. Then the first step is replacing the variable with its given number. So in here, let us write down 2, then replace x with its value, which is 5. So it is important to put parentheses, then write down plus, and this y, the value is 3. Then after that, since this 2 and x here, it means multiplication. So 2 and 5 here are to be multiplied. So in this case, we have two operations, the multiplication and addition. So which one are we going to work on first? So in the order of operation, we must multiply first before adding. So we will start with 2 times 5. And 2 times 5 is 10. Then write down the other term. And lastly, work on the remaining operation, which is addition. 10 plus 3, that is 13. And that is our answer. In given number 2, evaluate a minus b plus 4 times quantity m minus 2, wherein the value of a is 10, b is 3, and m is 7. So let us write the given algebraic expression. Then let us start with replacing the variables with its given values. So a here is 10, write down minus, then b is 3, write down plus, and write down 4. Then m here is 7, then write down minus 2. Now, let us examine the given algebraic expressions after replacing its values. So the operations that we have are minus, plus, times, and a parenthesis. So which one are we going to perform first? It is the parenthesis. So since inside the parenthesis there is an operation which is subtraction, so we will do first 7 minus 2. So 7 minus 2, that is 5. Then let us write down the remaining terms. Then we are left here with minus, plus, and times. So in the order of operation, we will multiply first before subtracting and adding. So we will work on 4 times 5, and that is 20. Then write down the remaining terms. Now we are left with minus and plus. So which one are we going to perform first? So in here, either of them, but whichever comes first from left to right. Since minus is written first before plus, so we will subtract first 10 and 3, and that is 7. Then write down the remaining term, and lastly 7 plus 20, that is 27, and this is our answer. Last example, evaluate x over y plus z squared, where x is 12, y is 6, and z is 4. So again, we will just write down the given algebraic expression, then replace the variables with its values. X is 12, y is 6, then z is 4. Now, we have here division, addition, and the exponent. So in here, we will start working on the exponent. And 4 squared, or 4 times 4, that is 16. Then write the other terms. Then we are left with division and addition. So in here, we need to divide first before adding. So 12 divided by 6 is 2. Then write down plus 16. And finally, 2 plus 16 is 18. And this is our answer.